this is Tuts here. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to solve any issue you're having with your Astropay accounts, whether you want to generate a virtual card number or you want to exchange your currency to USD. Like, you added your Naira and you want to exchange your Naira to USD and you are finding it difficult to exchange it because, as you can see here, there are some transactions here that I've did that I added on the 11th of May 2023. I added 5,000 Naira to this Astropay account, and then after adding this 5,000 Naira, I wanted to really exchange it in my own account so that I'll be able to pay for one services like that. So, but unfortunately, on my account, I was unable to exchange the Naira to USD at all. I wasn't able to do it at all. But after navigating and finding my way through the Astropay account and all that, since I wasn't able to do it, then I find other means to get the action done, and which is I asked a person to open an Astropay account. Then I move the fund, I transfer the funds from my own account to this person's account using their mobile number. Your mobile number is your ID on the Astropay account. So after transferring the 5,000 Naira that I credited into my account to my personal account, I mean the recipient account, so on his own dashboard at the end, there are some features that, depending on the transaction that you're actually doing, those are what is going to be enabling Astropay to be bringing out some hidden features that is there on their app. Every service is there, but depending on what you wanted to do currently and the service you are doing. For example, now if you credit your account directly from your bank account, you won't be able to move the money. For example, here on the Astropay account, when you click on this icon here, the plus icon, purple icon, when you click it on here and you see add money, I know you'll be able to add money account. So let's now talk about send money here. When you wanted to send money out from this Astropay account to your bank account or to your other accounts, which is going to primarily be your bank account, definitely you won't be able to do it on your first attempt. The reason is that when you had money directly from your bank account into the Astropay account and you are finding it difficult to navigate or to use their services, and then you now wanted to move your funds, which means transfer your funds back from the Astropay account into your bank account back, you won't find the means to transfer the money back to the bank account. I forget to actually do the documentation of the whole processes that I was doing. Reason is that I was at camp, so I wasn't able to do a video about what I'm talking about, which is why I'm actually trying to enlighten you more on these Astropay services. So now, after transferring my own money from my own account, as you can see here, the money was from bank account here, transferred from bank account. I added it on the 11th of May 2023. So after adding the money, I was unable to, firstly, the amount that I added, 5,000, is short. According to the Astropay rate, their rate is at 890 Naira. That is their rate. So since I wasn't able to do it and I wasn't able to top up 500 Naira, additional 500 Naira to the account, so I have to just find a way to transfer the funds back so that I'll be able to carry out my operation one way or the other. And as you can see, on the same day, I tried to add another money, which is 5,000, but on this note I didn't exactly added 5,000 naira. I actually do 500 naira top up, in which the 500 naira wasn't credited to the Astropay, but it was later reversed back to the account. After the money was reversed, it was then that I knew that my tricks is not going to work. And then I now told someone to open an Astropay account so that I'll be able to use his number as his ID, and I'll be able to transfer the funds from Astropay to Astropay. And once I was able to transfer the money from Astropay to Astropay account, he was able to transfer it from his Astropay account to his bank account. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the video. As you can see, here is my chat with the person, and as you can see, here is the account. As you can see, Astropay account, his account is actually 0 balance here, and maybe you should try it from this account. And then I told him to confirm the transaction at the end, and then as you can see, this is the 5,000 naira that I sent from Astropay to his account. As you can see, 5,000 naira from Astropay, and the transfer was free. It was free of charge. They didn't deduct any money, any hidden fee. And after transferring the 5,000 naira to him, he was able to transfer it from the Astropay to his Kuda account. As you can see, to his Kuda account at his end. But instead of transferring the whole 5,000 naira, he was able to transfer 4,850 naira. So in case you are having any difficulty in performing your transaction on the Astropay account, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for you to check, so that you'll be able to chat with Astropay customer care directly, so that they will attend to your needs privately. They respond to email at interval of 24 hours. I will show you the email. As you can see, when I was finding video, I reached out to them and they greeted me and, you know, apologizing for their inconveniences, and then they sent me a link in which I can file out my request, in which they are going to help out. And here is the link. As you can see here, I've copied the link here, so I'm going to drop in the description box below of this video, so that when you click on it, you won't go all this stress that I actually go through. So you just jump from your Astropay account to talking to the customer care directly after filling out the information and everything. And this is how to fill out the information too. As you can see, here is the need more help information page. As you can see, Astropay customer care support service. As you can see, the address here is Astropay, is original and is genuine. Astropay customer support. So I'm not trying to hack anybody or trying to play a fast one on everybody. This is actually a genuine. You are not talking to me, you are talking to Astropay customer care representative directly. Customer care representative directly. I said it once again, customer care representative directly. So what you are going to do is to provide your full name here, your user ID. Your user ID here is going to be your phone number. I repeat, it's going to be your phone number. Then your registered email address. Your registered email address in which you use in opening the Astropay account. Then you change it from this country to Nigeria. As you can see here, there is Nigeria here. You change it. After changing it, then what do you need help with? You have to be specified with this. Please, if what you need the help with isn't listed here, please make sure that you choose order. Please make sure that you choose order, because if you are encountering problem with exchanging of funds and then you now choose withdraw from merchant's website or debit card or transfer or any other issues that isn't related to what is listed here, they are going to reply you that you should show information and screenshots, and you should elaborate on your discussion more. So please take notes. Try to specify the actual need of your title. I mean the subject of why you are mailing them with this form. Let it be known directly. And after doing that, so I choose order, And then after writing my message, I attached a screenshot here. As you can see, here is a place to attach a screenshot. And after attaching the screenshot, I click on I'm not a robot. And after clicking on I'm not a robot, then when you just click on submit here, it's going to load and give you a response that your message has been sent successfully. And after waiting for after the message has been sent successfully, you just have to wait for like a day or two, maximum of 48 hours. Within 24 hours you are going to get a reply, but maximum of 48 hours you get a reply from them directly to the email, telling you on how you can further how they can further help you with your problem, and they are going to solve it for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a like, a share button, and comment. So I will see you in the next video. Peace out.